Good morning student. Today we will discuss about the defense mechanism of body against pathogen, means how our body react against any kind of pathogen. As I already explained you what is the immunology means study about body defense mechanism. Whatever mechanism we are having against any kind of pathogen, this defense mechanism is only known as, or study about this defense mechanism is known as immunity, and study about this immunity is known as the immunology. Okay, so kinds of defense mechanism, different type of defense mechanism are there. First one we will discuss about the non-specific defense mechanism. What is the non-specific defense mechanism? Actually, the this mechanism is similar of most type of infections. Okay, similar for it's similar means not specifically specific type of defense. It's not a specific type, means similar type of defense mechanism is show against any kind of infection. Okay, for how they show similar type of resistance, similar type of defense mean that it stop the entry of pathogen. Okay, it destroy the microbes outside of the surface. So what I mean to say here, that non-specific defense mechanism is not specifically oriented. Are you getting my point? Means different pathogens are here, and they are not working specifically in different type of pathogens, means similar type of defense mechanism it show. Okay, so external defense, it can be divided into external defense or internal defense. Two types of defense mechanism, non-specific defense, so external and internal. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about the external defense mechanism or first line defense mechanism. What are the external defense mechanism? यानी कि पैथोजन को बाहर ही रोक देना, उसको अंदर आने से रोक देना. Okay, so what are the physical barriers? Like our skin, you know, there is a very our skin is a best protective layer which is provided by nature. Mean that our pores are very small, very minute, that nothing can be enter inside it directly. So our skin works as a barrier, and you know uh, in the skin provides a very protective covering outside the body, and it's having the horny layer, stratum corneum, which is consist of dead fully keratinized cells. So these cells very hard, insoluble, and fibrous with this hard layer is made up of a specific protein which is known as keratin. Okay, this layer is waterproof. Whenever you pour water on your hand, that time only you can observe that this water directly not entered in your body. Okay, so this water just moved out from your skin, so it proves that our skin is waterproof, and it works similarly with different type of pathogens also. Second, about the mucous membrane. Outside of our means outside of our skin or epidermis, mucous membrane is present, or this mucous membrane is generally present in our digestive system, respiratory system, and urinogenital system or tract. Okay, so by this mucous membrane, several parasites are not able to enter inside the interior part of our body. Mean this mucous membrane just works as a barrier. Okay, so it also proves the external defensive mode. So that's why I'm telling you what are the physical barrier. they just ये क्या करते हैं, बाहर ही पैथोजन को रोक देते हैं, हमारे इंटरनल फिजियोलॉजी को इफेक्ट नहीं करने देते. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज ऑफ म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन आर और डिफरेंट टाइप एज आई टोल्ड यू. Buccopharyngeal cavity. Buccopharyngeal cavity means whatever the particle enters in our pharyngeal part or mouth, or by mouth, this mucus eliminate them with the help of sputum. जब हम हमारी नाक से और मुंह से म्यूकस बाहर निकलता है, so this mucus is known as the sputum. Okay, so in this mucus, several type of microbes are removed from the body. Okay, so next is respiratory tract. In our respiratory tract, as I told you also, that means in our inside of our nose, cilias are present, hairs are present, and through this also we can eliminate out all, many of the pathogens. In our eyes are having tear bags, and through this tear only different type of pathogens can be removed out from the eye area. Okay, internal tract, like our saliva, digestive juices, bile, urine, they are also able to swipe away many kind of microbes from our body. So it's about the external barriers. In case of physical barrier, physically which are present. Now what are the physiological barrier? when अभी तक हमने पढ़ा कि बाहर से ही कैसे पैथोजन आउट हो जाते हैं. इफ सपोज दे एंटर्ड इनसाइड द बॉडी, अगर कोई पैथोजन बॉडी के अंदर आ गया, सो दैट टाइम व्हाट आर द फिजियोलॉजिकल बैरियर? लाइक स्किन सीक्रेशंस एंड बैक्टीरिया. Skin secretions and bacteria means the oil and sweat secreted by our glands. Okay, which type of gland present? Sebaceous and pseudorypharous gland, which contain different type of acids, and you know acids having pH range 3 to 5. Okay, so that time many of the microbes are not able to survive. These acids easily degrade the content of microbes, like lysozymes. Lysozymes are also present, specific kind of enzyme which is present in our sweat gland, or which this particular enzyme is able to kill many type of bacteria. Okay, how? Bacteria is having specific coat or cell wall, so this cell wall is destroyed by this particular enzyme. Okay, so by this we can say that we get physiological defense. Next is of our saliva. Again in our saliva lysozyme present. What is lysozyme? Lysozyme was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Just try to understand it. Or this lysozyme is having the capacity to dissolve cell wall of bacteria. अगर सेल वॉल डिज़ोल्व हो जाती है तो अंदर का बैक्टीरिया, अंदर का जो कंटेंट है वो खुद ही डिग्रेड हो जाता है. ओके, so and this dead microbes are just swallowed by our saliva, and it enters in our digestive system, and fecal matter is removes out from the body. Okay, gut secretions and bacteria. In our gut also microorganisms are generally not only show the action on of saliva, but whenever they means सारे बैक्टीरिया को हमारे सलाइवा ख़त्म नहीं करते हैं. So some bacteria comes in our digestive system also. So that time you know very well gastric juice is having acidic hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid and proteolytic enzymes, different enzymes which are present in our gastric juice, these enzymes can destroy different kind of bacteria or microorganism. Okay, if suppose some bacteria reach our intestine, that time our gut secretions can kill these microorganism. Okay, next is about bile juice. Bile juice is alkaline in nature, means its pH is 8, and it is secreted by liver. So that time also this bile juice can destroy different kind of bacteria. In our tears, as I already told you that lysozymes are present in our tear also, so they can also kill different type of bacteria. Nasal secretion. In our nasal secretion, this mucus, and in our nasal secretion also lysozymes are present. Okay, so one term you have to learn about physiological barrier or physiological defense system, that lysozyme, one kind of enzyme, is very important for the degradation of bacteria inside our body. Now the specific type of vaginal bacteria. In our vagina some bacteria are present. Certain bacteria like lactobacilli, they are normally present in our vagina in female body, okay, and they produce lactic acid. Okay, so what happen, this lactic acid, अब acid release हो रहा है children, so this lactic acid can kill foreign bacteria. One bacteria, good bacteria and bad bacteria, you know very well. So some bacteria are our friend, some are not. So those who are, those bacteria are friend, they are just very helpful for us, like lactobacilli, which are already present in our in case of female in vagina tract. Okay, so that time this lactic acid can kill foreign bacteria. I hope that much is clear related with external defense mechanism. In our next class we will read about the internal defense or second line defense. Thank you children.